If you've been searching for a security camera that doesn't rely on Wi-Fi, has no blind spots, and works literally anywhere, well, stay tuned because today we're taking a look at the Xega 08 dual lens 4G LTE security camera. Now, this might just be that ultimate outdoor surveillance solution. In this video, we're going to get this box open, we're going to take a look at what comes inside, we're going to install it, we're going to download the app, and we're going to look at a couple of those features and see how this actually works. So, let's go. So the Xega security camera actually runs off 4G. So what that means is if you have no Wi-Fi, then no problems. You can just pop a SIM card in and operate off of that 4G. So that means if you're out camping in the woods or on a construction site, maybe on a farmland, or even better, maybe on a boat and you have access to 4G, then this camera will operate just perfect. Unlike standard security cameras, this one actually uses dual lenses. So it's working in tandem to give you a full 355-degree view. That means no blind spots. So whether it's motion from the front, side, or sneaking in from behind, it's all visible. The linkage between lenses ensures complete area coverage. Side-by-side footage from both lenses gives you that seamless visual coverage, even in low light conditions, thanks to the color night vision. A great thing about the app is it gives you complete control. So not only do you have the one view, that's the wide view, you then have complete control over the second lens. And as you can see, that gets you that complete 355-degree angle. So now let's talk about the setup. The Xega 08 includes a 9.8-foot connection cable, so it's giving you that flexibility to place the solar panel exactly where it gets the best sunlight. Plus you've got two installation options, a wall mount or pole mount, depending on your space. So mounting just took a few minutes, really was pretty simple, just a couple of screws. The instructions are very clear and everything you need is included in the box. So it is powered by a 6-watt solar panel and backed by a massive 14,400 mAh battery. So this camera is designed to run continuously. Even through cloudy days and nights, you don't have to worry about plugging it in or that constant maintenance. And one of the best parts is the setup is completely wire-free. So once it's installed, it pretty much takes care of itself. You also get some great extras like two-way audio.
It even has a microphone that you can access through the app that you can use to talk to your guests, or you can even scare off your intruders.
The camera is also IP66 waterproof, so it can handle rain, wind, even snow. Smart motion detection alerts are sent straight to your phone, keeping you informed at all times. So to sum it up, the Xega 08 is that ideal if you need that security camera that works off-grid, gives you that full 360-degree view, and basically runs itself thanks to that solar panel. It's powerful, reliable, and designed to keep you connected wherever you are. If you are interested in the Xega 08, we're going to be leaving a link in the description below. Share this with a friend who you think may need this in their life. Tell us what your favorite feature was, hit that like button, and of course subscribe for more great reviews like this. We'll see you in the next one.